Concrete na ne ya sha ne.
Guys, it's happening. Foundation concrete has started, and it's just like that building is huge, and it's gonna cost a lot. There's no two ways about it, but I'm super excited to see it happening right now. The dream is big, and sometimes doing business in Ghana, you feel like giving up, but we are not here to give up. So, doesn't matter what it is. There are challenges, but this is our second chicken pen, poultry pen, and we're just gonna keep growing little by little. What else can we do? We came here for a purpose, and until that has been realized, there's no giving up. Okay, so stick with me. If you have any questions, always let me know. If you haven't subscribed, a lot of you watch my videos but you don't subscribe. What's going on? Don't you like my content? Subscribe, okay, and encourage me to bring more content your way. And liking, commenting, and sharing is not a bad idea either. I really appreciate you for that. Okay, so do that after watching this video.
Oh, 17. Oh, we got 1.7. Oh, speed is too much. Lila, don't step on them. Go back. Foundation concrete, day 2. That's day 2. And they started from the side. Today. Yesterday they started from the 92 feet, the bottom one. They finished it. And then they did it up to where the guy is walking. And today they started from here and they're there. Okay. We came here this morning. This wasn't done. Left. I'm here almost 4. All 4. And foundation block has begun. You go.
So guys, I know my audience and most of you have questions about how much blogs you use and whatnot. As I'm editing video, work is still ongoing and I haven't tallied the total amount of material used, but I will, however, share in this video quotes the Mason gave me regarding the materials we need. So he said we needed 5,000 blocks and then 1 load of sand. I've already gone 2 more loads. Okay. He said that we need 1 load of rocks. And yes, after we did the foundation for the rocks, like we're doing in this video, we haven't really used the rock, so it's there. But mind you, we haven't done the casting, the final floor casting. He also quoted that I needed 50 pieces of iron rods and then 10 of the little pieces to tie them all together, and then 1 binding wire, 300 bags of cement. And yes, I've bought some. and I've taken note of it, but as of now I can't give you the total amount because I'm not sure of it. So as I did with the first pen, I'm gonna have a cost analysis where I can break down exactly how much it cost us with the material. But I can tell you how much the mason charged for this. He wasn't responsible for digging the foundation. I brought in the prisoners you saw in the video. They dig the foundation, and then from him to build it from foundation and do everything casting to roofing level, his charge was 25,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, he quoted 40,000 Ghana cedis. So my husband was like, no. What if I take the digging of the foundation and then reduce your price? So we settled on 25,000 Ghana cedis. And yeah, that's what we are at right now. So initially we wanted one big open pen, okay? But the land in Cape Coast is slopey, at least where we are is very slopey. So when we got to this level where he's laid the block, that's where he's explaining to me that he has to kind of divide it because otherwise it's going to cost us a lot to fill it, with the sand to get it level to the one on the top because the bottom is lower than the top. So that's what he's explaining to me to get my permission to do that. So we thought about it because he said like there was no other way of going out. So we had to divide it. Okay. So the majority is on the top.
Aye. Okay. Filling. Okay.
It is from all the one.
Aye.
What's the one also?
Yeah.
And you see it trap. It time a question as it. Now, if you appear and know the about about us.
Okay.
When I had to turn the Ibiabroso, the other day, you're feeling.
Okay. Okay.
You will put that way in level.
Yeah. Now they are two more. Okay. Okay, Mate.
So yeah, that's what the mason was explaining to me, and that's what we decided to go with. And I'll keep you updated as we move further along on the project. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video after watching. If you have any questions, kindly ask me and I'll try my best to answer all your questions. Okay, smile. Bye guys.